Hey guys, this is Goku, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. Today we're gonna review another hand which happened on 888 poker, and in the early stages of the tournament, our hero is on the hijack with Jack Queen. Yeah. Let's jump right into it. We have a small raise from the middle position. Our hero calls, and the big blind completes as well. Fairly standard with Jack Queen here in position. We want to see a flop. So let's see the flop. The flop is Jack 10-3, rainbow. The big blind checks, the initial raiser checks as well, and our hero decides to fire at the spot 2500, which is over half pot, like 55% or something. This is fine, I would say. We have a top pair, decent kicker. Initial raiser gave up. The big blind has a really wide range, so we really want to see where we're at. Betting 55% here makes a lot of sense. You could maybe even go higher. And the big blind calls, and the initial raiser folds. Okay, we see a 10, another 10 on the turn, which brings a hard draw, and the big blind checks. And our hero decides to check as well. Well, while I like the bet on the turn, I don't really like the check here, because I think it makes much more sense to bet here, because he's got a lot of draws in his range, I would say. And he also has a lot of tens. He's got sets of threes for sure. So by betting here, we really find out where we're at. Because if he raises us, then it's an easy fold because he's got a 10 or a 3, or maybe a hard flush draw, king queen of hearts, or 9-8 of hearts or something. But if we check here, we still don't know where we're at, and we let him draw for free. So yeah, thankfully the no draws complete on the river. It's just a deuce of diamonds, and the villain bets out to us for like 65% of the pot, and we call, and I think we have to call here with Jack Queen. Sure, he's got all those sets of threes, like I said, he's got a lot of tens, but he's also got a lot of weaker jacks, and he's also got a lot of those missed draws like king queens, 9-8s, and perhaps some ace threes of hearts and stuff like that. He will have for sure enough of these to make this call profitable. We've only got 28%. We only need 28% to break even, and I would say Jack Queen is good enough to call here. Would it make sense to raise? I don't think it would make sense to raise. We would be representing a 10, a trapped 10, or maybe a set of jacks, which are really the only hands we'd be representing. And if he has a hand like a 10 or better, he's calling, so we would not get him off any hand that beats us. And if he's bluffing here, then it's just better to call, because we beat some bluffs. We beat a lot of bluffs, So we call, and he shows king 10 suited for a trip for trip 10s. That makes sense. Yeah, so that's just a quick hand I wanted to show you, because the turn here is actually, I think, really important and crucial. Because if we bet here, and he calls, then on the river, if he bets, we have an easy fold, and if he checks, we check behind, and we see a showdown. And if he raises us on the turn, then it's a easy fold. Yeah, and we could just bet here like 3,500 or something like that. So we'd be saving, 3K almost. Yeah, that's the hand, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to watch more videos like this, and comment below what you thought of this hand. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.